In this video, we're going to talk about a very affordable and actually semi-long lasting way to get super cute, fashionable nails without breaking the bank. So what I have right now may or may not shock you because I'm going to tell you these are press-on nails that I got at my local pharmacy. I had the healthy nails on a few weeks ago. I decided again, budgets are a little tighter during the summer and I had other things I wanted to spend my money on this month, namely the Prime Day deals and the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So I had to cut out something and nails was one of those items. But when I had them professionally removed a few weeks ago, my nails were horrendous. They were trashed. So I went to my local Rite Aid and I found the aisle. Believe it or not, they have tons and tons of nails and nail products at most of these places. You have to be careful though, because some of them are traditional and they actually have acrylic processes, and some of them that look pretty, they still require a form of super glue to actually glue to your nail bed. That is not what I was looking for. I was looking for true stick-on press-on nails. So I found this brand called Impress. They come with 30 nails total. So there are 24 of the main color. Then they give you 6, usually a mishmash, but sometimes they are the same, of an accent color, an accent nail. So you are a little bit limited on, depending on the size of your fingernails, where the accents can go, or if you want them at all, you can push them to the side. Okay, let's just get into quickly what it takes. They cost me approximately $7.99 for this one box. Now I will admit, I wasn't trying to get a deal. I wasn't trying to find a sale. So I'm sure you can get these even cheaper. And I'm gonna look them up and see if I can find them at either Target or Amazon, and I'll link those links below if I can find them. What I ended up buying was this kind of purpley taupe color, and it had a little bit of an accent color. And I came home, and the process is super simple. After you open the package, it does have the basic directions on the back, which they really are basic. Then they have a little additional package inside. And when you open up the package, you get this little box like this, and you peel it open, and it has the accent nails and some of the extra nails in here, and then all the main nails in the little tub area. And then it comes with a little nail file if you need to file down anything on your nails, and it also comes with a cuticle pusher. Okay, so you have those things. Oh, it has an alcohol swab as well, so you can just take some alcohol and wipe down your nails, make sure there's no oil. So that's one of the important things, and make sure your nails are clean and clear. After you do that, it couldn't be easier. You get your little paper, and this is a step you don't want to skip. It actually has your right hand and your left hand with the actual nails on them, and it tells you which nail goes to, corresponds with which finger of yours. So then you want to go through and size and pick what you're going to put on each finger. You set them onto that and try to keep it carefully, set down there so that you don't get them all mixed up. But this is going to save you a ton of time when you're actually doing the nails, because then you can just grab and go. A few of the tips is they tell you not to do, I believe, your thumb. I believe it's your thumb they tell you to do last, because you're going to be pushing really hard to get these nails to stick. So I think that they figure if you have the thumb on early and you're pushing, you might kind of mess it up. So I believe it's your thumb they want you to do last. So you do all those, and literally here's a nail. So they're just already pre-done. They have this little tab. So the tab side always should go to your cuticle. So you just literally peel the tab off, and that makes it sticky inside. And you position it on your finger and you hold it down, and it says to press hard. So you press, 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 make sure it's all even, keep pressing, keep pressing, keep pressing. It tells you how long to press for, I don't know, several seconds. And then you let go and you have your nail stuck on your finger. And then you just continue the process. Actually putting the nails on probably took me way less than 5 minutes. So with that being said, when I go to get my nails done, oftentimes I'm waiting for a little while, then I'm waiting again for the process of once they start taking my nails off to put the new ones on. And sometimes if they're working with 2 people at once, you're back and forth, you could easily spend an hour to 2 hours just getting your nails done. I don't have time for that most of the time. And again, with all the processes, the chemicals, the cleanliness, sometimes I just question while I'm there, and I really don't enjoy my spa time or my nail time like some women do. Many of us do, and that's great. Again, do it if you love it and if you have the budget for it, that's great. But I just am not there right now, and I love having my nails done. I love having my nails finished on camera, especially when I'm showing products. But day to day, I don't really need them for the most part. And like I said, I clean my own house. I do my own yard work. You know, I'm always doing stuff. And so it's just really not feasible for me to have really expensive nails all the time. I really don't need them. And this is a really, really great alternative. I'm going to, again, link these below if you're interested in trying them out, if it's something that you just want to give it a shot. Again, I don't know if my results are typical or not. It depends on your activity level, how much oil you have on your nail beds, all that good stuff. But again, this is Wednesday. I've had them on since Saturday. They're doing great. And I really enjoy them. I plan on probably stocking up when they do go on sale when I find them. And I'll at least have nails for events and for videos in the future. All right, I hope this video was helpful. I hope that you enjoyed it. And if you do try these out, let me know if you liked them or not. And even send a picture if you can to see what kind of nail choices that we all had. All right, thanks. See you later.